Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to sell on Shine in 2025. If you're a fashion enthusiast, designer, or just someone looking to turn your wardrobe gems into cash, SHEIN's evolving platform offers exciting opportunities. With the rise of e-commerce, 2025 is the year to get in on the action, especially with SHEIN's updated seller tools for better visibility and faster payouts. Let's break it down step by step so you can start selling like a pro. First things first, you need to meet the eligibility requirements. Shine typically looks for sellers with unique, trendy products that align with their fast fashion vibe. Head to the Shine website and look for the Become a Seller section. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one, providing details like your business info, tax ID, and a bit about your brand. This process is straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Once you're signed up, it's time to set up your seller profile. Make it pop. Upload a catchy profile picture, write a bio that highlights your style, and categorize your store. SHEIN's 2025 updates include enhanced customization options, so use high-quality images and detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Remember, visuals are key in fashion sales. Next, list your products. Start by uploading photos from multiple angles. Shine recommends at least 5 per item. Add accurate sizing, materials, and pricing. Keep an eye on 2025 trends like sustainable fashion. Items that are eco-friendly might get a boost in SHEIN's algorithm. Don't forget to set competitive prices and offer discounts to stand out. Marketing is where you seal the deal. Use SHEIN's built-in tools for promotions, like flash sales or bundles. Cross-promote on social media. Instagram and TikTok are goldmines for Shine sellers. Engage with your audience by sharing styling tips or behind-the-scenes content to build a loyal following. Finally, manage your sales effectively. Once orders come in, handle shipping promptly using SHEIN's integrated logistics partners. Keep track of customer feedback and resolve issues quickly to maintain a high rating. In 2025, Shine emphasizes seller performance, so aim for excellence to unlock perks like featured spots. There you have it, your roadmap to selling on Shine in 2025. It's easier than you think, and with the right strategy, you could see sales soaring. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's make 2025 your breakout year. Thanks for watching. See you next time.